Hello, hello. Good morning once again. It's morning from Helsingborg in Sweden. And here I am walking on the road towards the bus stop. And the plan is to go to an Ikea store. Well, if you are in Sweden, the best thing I guess Sweden has given so far to the world is Ikea. That's what I've heard. I've never been to Ikea store myself. So I think it makes sense to visit the Ikea store. And the other reason for going to Ikea store is to buy a heart of lights for my friend. As you will or you would have seen or you would see in my vlogs here, most of the houses have got it's Christmas time, so it gets dark at the same time a bit early, so most of the houses have got the lights, and some have got stars, some have got candles, but I think for him it makes sense to have a heart, a red heart on the window. And the bus number 22, which is towards the Walla Restaurant Torget, will take us to the Ikea. Let's go!
Tack så mycket. Hejsan. Tackar. Hej. Hej.
All right. So bus has stopped us exactly outside the Ikea. Now it looks massive, to be honest. We just need to find an entrance, how to get in, and see how it is. Why is it so popular everywhere? And if we can find a heart with lights, red color one, that would be even better. And it's very cold. I don't know, is it just me feeling cold or is it cold actually? So yeah, welcome to the pride of Sweden. I would say it's the pride of the Sweden. It's getting got a massive door. Look at the door. Oh. I can see the lights on the upper floor, though there are things and counters on this floor as well. And they have a map, but the whole map is in Swedish, so I don't understand anything. But yeah, here we have got some lights, I guess. There is a cafe as well in here, so we could have had a coffee here, but never mind. Let's see. There's another map of the Ikea store. Let's see if we understand something. It's all in Swedish. I have no idea. I think we just need to explore randomly. It's massive, I would think so. I'm gonna be spending a lot of time to find a small little heart. See, keep going. And the other side is the whole restaurant. Let's see here. Oh. I guess they have designed it in a way that I can't find my way out. Once I am inside this puzzle, I have to walk the whole way, following these projected arrows. on the floor, or you can decide to jump the walls. See, now I'm walking the whole thing wherever they want me to walk. Can't have my own path. Yeah, it's pretty cool, I must say. There are some lights and lamps, but not the one we are looking for. Here we are, outside the restaurant. I guess we shall go. What is this? These are batteries. We shall go one step up. I decided to have a look a bit more on the ground floor than the floor we entered. Instead, I go up. I don't know. I think so. We can find things here. Let's give it a go. But now there are utensils. Let's enter and have a walk. Come on, come on, come on. Where is the heart? Is this? If I don't find a heart here, I will be very disappointed, to be honest. There are so many lights. But I don't see a heart. They got the rocket, space shuttle, pencil, whatever, the footballs, but they haven't got a heart. What a shame. I've checked all these lamps. There is not even a lamp in the shape of heart. Very disappointing. Oh, very disappointing. Here we are from this section to a totally different section of Ikea. Look at here. My goodness. These boxes, racks. Wow, wow, wow. I don't know what is in these boxes, to be honest. I have no idea. But it's massive. How are you gonna get down that stuff? Alright, so I have search for Hajarta. That's what the translation of heart is in Sweden. What I get is a kind of a bucket, a pillows, a balloon. No, this is LED actually. Is it? Yeah, it is LED. But I need to check where can I find it. I think this will do. I need to find this one. The pictures of it, and it should be in the lamp section where we came from. So I need to ask the guy over there, where the hell is this lamp? I've also kept the plants inside. They're selling the plants as well, which is a bit of a surprise. The live plants. They have not left anything for what they don't sell. We are back in the lamps section. I just need to ask the guy, where is this lamp? Dokes. He has told that it is in the children's department upstairs. So let's go upstairs. Actually, that's where we came from. Didn't see anything, but we can always go again. Actually, here it is. And there are the... It's a plastic one actually. I'm not sure. It's not the red color. It's a heart, but it's not red. I don't think so. This is what we need. Alright. So that was our short visit to an IKEA store that I always heard of but never been to it. And what could be a better place to go to an IKEA store than going in Sweden itself? Yeah, they got a lot of stuff. I mean, I think everything related to your house, they have got it. But I'm still disappointed because they don't have got what I was looking for. So yeah, that was a bit of a disappointed. But otherwise, I think they got a lot more stuff. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. See you next time.